Zoey and Sassafras, Gnomes and Sneezes by Citro, performed by Janina Edwards. Prologue. These days, my cat Sassafras and I are always desperately hoping we'll hear our barn doorbell. I know most people are excited to hear their doorbell ring. It might mean a present, or package delivery, or a friend showing up to play. But our doorbell is even more exciting than that, because it's a magic doorbell. When it rings, it means there's a magical animal waiting outside our barn. A magical animal who needs our help. My mom's been helping them basically her whole life, and now I get to help too. Chapter 1. Awful. Another sneeze exploded out of me. I sighed and blew my nose. I sighed again. Some things just make you sigh a lot. And tossed the balled-up tissue on a pile of already used tissues. Meow. Came a quiet sassafras meow. Sassafras? I looked around my room. Where was that cat? He was just here. Meow, cried Sassafras as he popped up from under my tissue pile. I couldn't help laughing, even though I felt awful. You always know how to make me feel better, Sass, I said, rubbing under his chin. Sassafras closed his eyes and purred. I stopped laughing and sighed again. My dad peeked his head through the doorway. There sure is a lot of sighing in here. How's it going, kiddo? I opened my mouth to answer, but instead of words, another sneeze came out. Ugh, I said, after blowing my nose again. I flopped on the bed and looked at my dad with watery eyes. I was supposed to go play at Sophie's new house today. I blinked back tears. I've been sick forever. My dad sat next to me and rubbed my back. Well, I wouldn't say forever. It's just after lunch now, and you woke up sick this morning. I shrugged. I guess that's true. And didn't her mom say you could come over as soon as you feel better? Dad asked. I guess that's also true. I rubbed my sore nose. Why don't you keep resting, and I'll make you a cup of peppermint tea. Oh, I love peppermint tea, I said. Thanks, Dad.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?